no gold is not enough.
Today we are going to look on dark green edit. So let's add this photo to Lightroom. Start with the exposure, bring it down to -50. Go to contrast and make it -30. Now go to highlights and make it -44. Bring the shadows to 35 and whites to -72. Now go to color mix and bring the hue of red color to -20, saturation to -18 and luminance to 6. Now go to orange and bring the hue and saturation of orange to -18 and luminance to 41. In yellow, bring the hue to -49 and saturation to -65. In green, bring the hue to 100 and saturation to -71 and luminance to -41. In blue, bring the hue to -89 and saturation to -61. Now go to navy blue and bring the hue to -29 and saturation to -55, luminance to -35. In purple, bring the saturation to -95. In magenta, bring the hue to -44, saturation to -35 and luminance to 40. Now go to effects and bring the clarity to 5. Dehaze to -12, vignette to -31, midpoint to 21 and feather to 90. Now go to split tone and in shadows bring the hue to 171 and saturation to 15. Finally, go to details and bring the sharpening to 18 and color noise reduction to 15.
Shine.